Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus RX 350 headlight bulb. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific model, as types can vary. Gather your tools, which typically include a small flat blade screwdriver and gloves to avoid touching the new bulb. For safety, especially with HID systems, it's wise to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before you begin. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your vehicle's hood and carefully remove any engine beauty covers that might be obstructing your access. These are usually held by push pins that can be popped out with a flat blade screwdriver. Once the covers are off, locate the round gray access cover at the back of the headlight assembly. Gently turn this cover counterclockwise until it unlocks, then pull it straight off to reveal the bulb connector. With the access cover removed, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Push down on the tab and pull the connector straight back to unplug it. Next, locate the two spring clips, often called butterfly clips, that secure the bulb. Push them inward and unhook them from their retaining points. Now, you can gently pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, handle it with gloves and avoid touching the glass to prevent damage from oils. After inserting the new bulb, re-engage the two spring clips to hold it firmly. Then, plug the electrical connector back into the bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Reinstall the round access cover, aligning it correctly and turning it clockwise until it locks tightly, creating a good seal. Finally, replace any engine covers you removed and reconnect your battery. Don't forget to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.